Now students, we are going to concentrate on the last topic of this chapter, that is IPR, Intellectual Property Rights and Entrepreneurship. But prior to understanding the intellectual property rights, it's necessary to understand the meaning of intellectual property. It refers to any original creation of human intellect, that is, use of human intelligence. Its main examples are artistic, literary, technical, scientific creation. In other words, we may say that intellectual property is such a property of a person as is created by his own intellect, by his own intelligence. So, intellectual property refers to any original creation of human intelligence. It could be artistic, it could be literary, it could be technical, it could be scientific creation, it could be any product or anything else. So, different intellectual properties have been divided into two categories, two parts. First part is literary and artistic work, which includes writing of books, musical composition, songs, poems, novels, printings, paintings, computer software, movies, sculpture, etc. So this is first category. Second category is industrial property, which means the products, which could be in the form of invention of new technology, industrial design, idea of a new product, commercial name and logo of a new product. So this is what we mean by intellectual property. Now, acquisition and management of IPR, they are critical in helping the firms to transform their innovation potential and creativity into market value and competitiveness, especially for new enterprises, as these rely heavily on exploiting intellectual capital in their own business models. So, to protect themselves, to keep themselves protected, IPR refers to the special right to the creator, to the entrepreneur for a definite period, which is provided to him for the use of his creative work. उसने कुछ बनाया, entrepreneur सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ लेकर आया, तो बाकी सब उसको कॉपी ना करें, इसके लिए वो एक स्पेशल राइट ऑक्यूपाई करता है जिसको इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट बोला जाता है, विच स्पेसिफाइज दैट जो कुछ भी एंटरप्रेन्योर ने इनोवेशन से डेवलप किया, अपने ब्रेन से, अपनी इंटेलिजेंस से डेवलप किया, वो उसका अपना अधिकार है उस प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर, उस क्रिएशन के ऊपर. नाउ दिस हैज़ बीन डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. First, we'll learn about what are copyrights. This one. What are copyrights? Let us see what's a copyright. It refers to right given to the entrepreneur, that is, whosoever is the creator, on his literary work and artistic creations. Literary work could be in the form of books, it could be in the form of musical composition, it could be in the form of poems, etc. And artistic creations could be in the form of paintings, etc. So, copyright refers to the right given to the literary and artistic creator under which it is ensured that only the creator makes the use of his creation and no other person can use the creation without the creator's permission. So this is all about copyright. Then we switch over to the patent right. It refers to the right given to the creator as a result of his creation of new, useful and product or a process. So this way, patent is the right given to an inventor under which up to a fixed period only the inventor can use his invention and nobody else can copy his work. This is about the patent right. Then we switch over to what is a trademark. So copyright, I hope it's clear. Patent right is clear to you. Then is third, that is the trademark. Some special word, symbol, sound, size or color, the use of which is done to give a distinguishing mark to its business, product or a service is called a trademark. Trademark is such a right under which no other person or business concern can use the well protected identity of a person. For example, you might have seen different brand marks of different products, such as McDonald's M. That M is the brand mark, and when this brand mark is protected under the special act given by the government legally, it becomes a trademark. The cabinet of our nation has approved the National Intellectual Property Rights Policy with a view to promoting creativity, innovation and entrepreneurship. The aim is to create awareness about economic, social and cultural benefits to all the intellectual property rights among all the sections of the society. Intellectual property rights can be used to protect technology, brand name, design and creativity behind the concept, so that the entrepreneur who is working hard his own product or his own creativity should be protected by copying from others. उसने जो कुछ भी एंटरप्रेन्योर ने डेवलप किया उसको कोई दूसरा कॉपी ना कर ले, इसके लिए वो प्रोटेक्ट करवा सकता है, राइट्स को ले सकता है. इट गिव्स द क्रिएटर सोल ओनरशिप ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट इन अ सिमिलर वे टू ओइंग फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी लाइक अ हाउस और अ कार. जो घर आपने खरीदा वो आपका अपना है. इसी तरीके से IPR के थ्रू आप इंश्योर कर सकते हो कि जो भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के थ्रू आपने प्रोडक्ट डेवलप किया, सोसाइटी को जो कुछ भी नया दिया वो आपका अपना है और उसको कोई और कॉपी नहीं करेगा. ओनर्स कैन कंट्रोल द यूज ऑफ देयर ओन प्रॉपर्टी, इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी टू गेन financial reward. So I hope that this chapter has been clearly understood by everybody. Thank you all. Have a nice day.